A puppy could soon be rescuing people caught in an avalanche. Named after an avalanche pioneer, Ed the Golden Retriever is the newest member of the San Juan County Search and Rescue Team. According to the Herald, the town of Silverton has not had an avalanche rescue dog since the 70s. But when paramedic Ryan Mason joined the team, he decided it was time to bring it back. While the pup has started training, it will take him about 2 years to be ready to save lives. As for his first year of training,
we're going to be focusing on the basics, navigating in the snow, riding on snowmobiles, chairlifts, and also scent recognition and putting his nose to the snow, finding somebody buried in snow.
Mason hopes Ed will be certified in at least some skills by next year.